This meditation will help you fill all of your primary cells with the divine frequency and will activate this divine energy in your embryonic cell. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Start feeling comfortable and relaxed. Feel that your feet are firmly standing on the ground. Feel like the roots are growing from your feet and connect to the energy of the earth. Warm, pleasant energy of love begins to fill your feet and climbs higher and higher up your body, filling you with the warmth of positive energy, vitality, and health. The energy of the earth penetrates through your feet higher and higher, through your entire body, filling you with a state of calm, strength, and confidence. Your breathing becomes calmer and smoother and more even. Feel how your energy is becoming so powerful, so big, that it fills your entire body and goes beyond your body, and through the crown of the head is accumulated in a bright, shining ball. This is the ball of your consciousness. Take a deep breath and release this ball of energy while exhaling it up into the universe. Feel that the ball of your consciousness flies easily and freely higher and higher into the bright shining light of the Creator. Feel and see how the ball of the consciousness dissolves into the bright shining light of the Creator. Now you find yourself in the ocean of love, boundless love, and healing divine energy. You feel calm and at ease. Feel how your body is filled with the waves of healing light and love of the Creator. Feel how your physical body begins to heal. In the area of the crown of the head and the pineal gland, there is the embryonic cell. The cell is the cell of the divine Creator, the cell of light coming from God. This is the cell that contains information about your divine perfection, and the information of your DNA is located here. The divine energy activates the cell with rainbow-like colors. In order to initiate the frequency of health and abundance and divine power in your body, we ask the embryonic cell to activate all primary cells of your body, from which all organs are formed. Your joints, your bones, all cells of your body. Mentally give the following command to your cell. Embryonic cell, you know the frequency of the divine healing vibration. Activate all primary cells in my body with the same divine frequency and vigor which you possess. See and feel how all primary cells are filled with bright lights glowing in your body. Then give the next command to the cell. Primary cells, you know the divine frequency of abundance and health. Activate all cells in my body with the divine healing energy of light and love of the Creator. See how your entire body starts glowing with the golden, flowering energy. How every cell of your body is filled with the energy of love of the Creator. all internal organs begin to heal. The heart, the liver, lungs, pancreas, all 12 meridians are energized with the divine light. The energy in the spinal cord and all the cells of your body are activated and start shining with the divine energy and frequency. Your immune system is activated. Tell the following command to your body. My physical body, you know the divine vibration. Activate my etheric body with the divine light, the golden glow. Clean all my bodies, etheric, mental, and all light bodies from all destructive influences, damages, evil eye, from all entities that don't serve my best interests. Open me up and connect me with the Creator in the divine channel. See and feel how all your subtle bodies light up one after another with the divine power and start shining within the light of the Creator, bouncing off all destructive energy. All the entities which prevent you from living in the flow of prosperity, abundance, and health. Be in this energy of light and love. Feel like your entire being is vibrating at the frequency of the Creator. See and feel how the whole divine world, angels, archangels, your guardian angels, send you now all their support and assistance that you need. Send you their blessings and love. Feel like all chakras and energy centers in their area of the tailbone, lower abdomen, solar plexus, the heart, the throat, forehead area, and the crown of the head are glowing with a bright, radiant light that is spreading its petals in the light of divine love and energy. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Feel how your thoughts, your emotions, your desires change, how you become more energized and start realizing your true goals. You look into the future with ease and grace. Mentally thank your higher self and the Creator for giving this energy and healing. Once again, feel yourself in the ocean of love. Feel once more how your consciousness is enjoying the waves of love and light. And now you're slowly getting back into your body. See that the ball of your consciousness is high above your head. See how it is washed away by the divine light, Satchitananda, love, truth, bliss. Take a deep breath and through the crown of the head, pull in the ball of your consciousness into your body. Feel how this energy is gradually spreading through your heart with the waves of love and light. Gently place your hands on your heart and see there yourself small. And holding hands on your heart, tell yourself, I'm sending myself love, blessing and support. I'm sending love, blessing and support. Let there be peace and love in my head, in my heart, in my body, in my soul, in my life, in my destiny. And so it is. And so it is.